As the results are out, you might be having several questions like which colleges can I opt for, which specialty can I actually choose based on my rank, based on my category rank, etc. So first and foremost, let's wait for All India quota rank as well as state merit list to be released, then you'll have better idea. And in this video, I'll be presenting you last year's dental seat allotment under All India quota, round 1 as well as round 2. You can just have a look at this list. So in this video, I'll be presenting you the list of top 1000 ranks and their respective seat allotments, and the subsequent ranks and all you can check out in the link which will be posted in the comment section or in the description part of the video below, right? And this gives you an idea like what options you have, like how you can keep your options open so that you can submit your choices during online counseling accordingly, right? I hope this video will be useful in helping you choose your options wisely, and for any further queries or assistance you can always get back through mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. and in the coming videos we'll also discuss the scheme of counseling in detail. Wish you all the best. Love you all.